How to activate WeChat Chat Head. If you're wondering how to activate WeChat Chat Head, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is go ahead and open WeChat. And if you look at the very bottom row, you'll see your profile icon. So go ahead and click on that. So go to Settings. And you'll see next under Privacy, there is My Information and Authorizations. So click on that. At the very top, it says System Permissions. So go ahead and click on that. So you'll see it says Floating Window. So click on that. And at the very top option, it says Chats. So go to Chats. So once you've allowed floating window permission to chats, then you will be able to get a chat head in WeChat. So that is how to activate WeChat Chat Head.